Okay. The last vlog I did, I had a Temu order. And in the Temu order was a rolling cart. And I didn't know how to put it together. And I was making myself overwhelmed. So I said I'd just put it together and show you. So I lay down and thought about it and got my brain settled down. And it was easy to put together. So I like it. And it works pretty good. It's not as tall as I thought it, not as wide as I thought it would be, but I do like it. I think I like it for that reason. It's not as wide. But the other things I got, I really do like them. That one that goes up under the appliances and furniture to sweep and all, that thing is very lightweight, easy to handle, easy on your back. So, but I was going to show y'all why I have to wear a wig. Other than the fact that my hair falls out. Now, I always had natural curly hair. And hair like my mother. Well, here lately, my pastor's wife been asking me what have I been doing to my hair that it's not being curly. I told her nothing. And anyway, this is what's been going on. Well, I was trying to find the light that would work good, but it's just stringy. It's doing nothing. Nothing I could do will fix it. So, with it falling out, it's just coming back stringy. So, that's all right. That's why they make wigs. But anyway, tomorrow we got a doctor's appointment. And so we're going to go back by Sam's Wholesale to pick up the things that we need for Vacation Bible School. So, I'll try to vlog that while we're out and about. And let you see what's going on at Sam's. Okay. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow then, and you have a blessed day. Bye.